Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to use Payability as an Amazon seller. I've been in the Amazon game for a while, and if there's one thing I know, it's that cash flow is king. Waiting the standard 2 weeks for Amazon to release your funds can absolutely cripple your growth, especially when you need to reorder inventory fast. That's where Payability steps in. From my experience, the best way to utilize Payability is through their instant access service. And here's why. Straight up, the power of daily payouts. The core problem Payability solves is a delay in getting your sales revenue. With instant access, you can get up to 80% of your prior day's net sales deposited into your account every single business day. It's an advance on your receivables, not a loan, and it's a game changer for your operational speed. When I first started using it, the biggest benefit was being able to reinvest in inventory immediately. I could spot a fast-moving item on a Monday, get paid for my sales on Tuesday, and use that cash to place a new, larger order with my supplier by Wednesday. This cycle is what truly accelerates growth. You buy more, you sell more, and you get paid faster to buy even more. It minimizes stockouts and helps you capture those hot sales trends right as they happen. Know the cost, use it strategically. Now, this speed comes at a cost. Usually a flat fee of 1% to 2% of your gross sales. I need to be real with you. This fee can feel significant if your profit margins are thin. That's why you need a clear strategy. Rule number 1, only use it for high ROI investments. Don't use your daily payouts to cover non-essential operating expenses. Use it to buy more of your top-selling, high-margin inventory. If accessing that cash 2 weeks early lets you buy a shipment that turns into $500 more profit than the Payability fee, it's worth it. Rule number 2, scale the fee down. Payability rewards higher sales volume with lower fees. I focus on increasing my sales volume as fast as possible to push my fee rate down. The goal isn't just to get the cash, it's to outgrow the fee structure. Instant Advance for big growth spikes. The second service they offer, Instant Advance, is for larger, strategic moves like preparing for Q4 or a massive new product launch. This is a lump sum advance against your future sales. I've used it to buy an extra large container shipment to secure better supplier pricing. It's essentially debt, but it's paid back as a percentage of your daily sales, which can be less stressful than a fixed monthly loan payment. The key to using Instant Advance effectively is to ensure the investment, whether it's a bulk order or a major marketing push, will generate returns significantly higher than the flat fee they charge. In summary, Payability is a powerful tool to turn your slow Amazon payouts into a daily working capital machine. Instant access is what you use every day to keep the flywheel turning, and Instant Advance is what you tap for those major leaps in inventory or expansion. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.